For decades, the global energy landscape has relied on a handful of powerhouse manufacturers for its most critical components. But what happens when access to that technology is restricted? The answer, for Russia, lies in a new engineering marvel, the GTD-110M. This isn't just another engine. It's a strategic leap designed to redone an entire industry. While often discussed in broader terms of changing aviation, the GTD-110M's true impact is far more fundamental. It's about energy sovereignty and powering a nation. Join us as we explore how Russia's new GTD-110M is poised to significantly alter its energy future, reduce reliance on foreign technology, and secure its power independence. For years, Russia's energy sector, despite its vast natural resources, faced a critical dependency. The high-capacity gas turbines, the very heart of modern power generation, were often sourced from Western giants like Siemens and General Electric. This reliance became a vulnerability, starkly exposed by geopolitical shifts and the imposition of sanctions. It spurred an urgent, ambitious drive to develop a domestic solution capable of matching, if not surpassing, international standards. Enter the GTD-110M, developed by Russia's United Engine Corporation, UEC, part of the state corporation Rostec. This is not an engine designed to propel aircraft through the skies. Instead, its domain is the industrial landscape, specifically powering gas turbine and combined cycle power plants. It's an industrial gas turbine, a titan of energy production, designed to generate electricity and heat with immense efficiency. Context Osifune, and of course, what makes the GTD-110M so revolutionary for Russia? First, its power output. Capable of generating approximately 115 megawatts of electric power, it falls squarely into the high-capacity segment, directly competing with powerful turbines previously imported from abroad. Second, its design innovation. UEC claims the GTD-110M boasts lower weight and dimensions compared to its foreign counterparts, offering greater flexibility in delivery and installation. This is achieved through advanced manufacturing techniques, including the use of additive technologies or 3D printing for complex components like its low-emission combustion chamber swirlers. Third, and crucially, its high fuel efficiency, translating to lower operational costs and reduced environmental impact, aligning with modern energy demands. The impact of the GTD-110M extends far beyond mere technical specifications. This engine represents a strategic turning point for Russia. It's a direct response to the need for technological sovereignty in a critical sector. By producing its own high-power turbines, Russia aims to bolster its energy security, modernize its thermal power plants, and reduce the financial burden of relying on foreign expertise for maintenance and parts. From 2024, plans are in place to ramp up serial production, with projections of manufacturing multiple units annually. The GTD-110M has already seen significant milestones. It has undergone rigorous testing, with its first serial unit being prepared for commissioning at the Udarnaya thermal power plant in the Krasnodar territory, a facility described as Russia's most technically advanced combined cycle thermal power plant. Its successful integration and operation are critical for proving its long-term reliability and performance in real-world conditions. This isn't just about an engine, it's about a nation's resilience and its determination to forge an independent path in high-tech industrial manufacturing. The GTD-110M embodies Russia's ambition to overcome external pressures through domestic innovation, asserting its capabilities in a global landscape marked by evolving challenges. The GTD-110M stands as a powerful symbol of Russia's drive for energy independence and its commitment to developing sophisticated industrial technology. It might not be soaring through the skies in commercial jets, but its transformative power is set to resonate deeply through the very infrastructure that lights homes, powers industries, and secures the future of a nation. What are your thoughts on the significance of Russia's GTD-110M engine for its energy future and technological independence? Do you believe it will fundamentally shift the global energy turbine market? Share your perspective in the comments below. If you found this exploration of the GTD-110M's impact insightful and powerful, please give this video a thumbs up. And for more deep dives into the world of aviation, industrial technology, and their geopolitical implications, make sure to subscribe to the Aviation Archives.